can you tell me a little bit more about CAMI?
Yes, Aziza. CAMI is stand for Certificate in Alternate Therapy Yoga Medicines, where first level designed to be participated by anybody, basically whoever interested to take care of their health, natural way of living, from the food timing, even psychological part of it, certain techniques to relieve existing sickness. Even they can reduce basically major part of the modern drug and medicines. This way they can live a natural living. And the other part, they got opportunity to venture into as a yoga teacher or therapist or natural living counselors and assistants. Whereas level 2 basically more suitable to be strictly yoga teachers to venture as a career.
So just now you mentioned about level 1. So must I want to be a teacher to join the program?
Not necessarily. You can be a person not known even yoga the word. You can be a person who not even done any exercise in your life last 30-40 years. Yet you can join, including we take even 8 to 10 years experienced yoga teacher, because the design of the program is for 4 years, flexible, interactive, fun, relaxing, and the learning become like a childhood style. So every angles experienced personnel will have chances and interest and keen to absorb the entire essence, and we got multi trainers from India, from Malaysia, and even we are targeting to have one from European country.
Okay. So just now you mentioned while we were speaking earlier on that the participants are not only those who want to be teachers, but they can also be,
for example, beautician. They can be selling herbals item in multi-level companies, insurance agents. They can be in the food beverage industry. They can be parental. They can be physiotherapists in a medical industry. They can be lab assistants, where we cover from chemical reactions, physics items, body movement, anatomy, hormone regulations, what does medical drug do in a body, how to reduce it to replace food as a medicine, medicine as a food, to have a healthier life with a minimum medicine if possible, or even without medicines in the future.
so after the 4-day session, there is a follow-up?
Yeah, there's about 6-month follow-up, where after the follow-up, sincere attendance, we were able to register them under the traditional complementary medicine TCM within the Health Ministry of Malaysia. Then they are publicly listed in a web, and we have a verification process if anybody called to confirm their attendance and the 6 months auditing on the training.
And in these 6 months, they are given work opportunities or something like that?
Yeah, they will be given first 3 months totally training monitored by the senior. The next 3 months script auditing, where they train independently, and spot check will be done by the senior people wherever they are from. And the second 3 months, of course, we are paying the allowance, and they will start to earn even at their own phase or within our studios and corporate.
And what do you think is the potential of the industry, let's say in terms of earning money after attending this program for 6 months?
Thinking about if they spend 1,500 ringgit for the 4 days and 100 ringgit every month for 6 months, the recovery period we're talking about within 8 months, where per hour rate professionally is Malaysia ringgit 50 for beginners, and it can leverage after second year become even 100 or 150. So every investment they do for 4 days and 6 months, they're covering within 8 months, with recovering their own health, good deeds, as well as sharing the ancient art of yoga meditation.